Changing the belt maintains the long-term safety of the blower's components and keeps the system performing reliably. The procedure for changing the belt on a hinged motor support with a lifting device must be carried out with care and accuracy, ensuring the belts are replaced as a complete set. Ensure safety first. Turn off the power supply and disconnect the blower completely. Using a special key, unlock and lift out the lower front machine cover panels and store them aside safely. Remove the cooling fan after removing its guard to access the belt and pulleys. Lift the hinged motor support using the lifting device. Turn the guide bushing anti-clockwise using the ratchet wrench to raise the hinged motor support. Continue raising until the belts are fully relieved of tension. With the belts now tension-free, remove the old belts carefully. It's recommended to use original AERZEN spare parts for a better performance and the safety of your machine. Install the new belt by placing it around the pulleys, ensuring it sits snugly in the grooves. Make sure the belt follows the permissible groove layout. Turn the guide bushing clockwise with the ratchet wrench until the belts are pre-tensioned. Set the self-locking nut to the appropriate measurement A value specified for the blower. Secure the guide bushing with the self-locking nut. The hinged motor support is supported entirely by the belt drive. Reattach the cooling fan and tighten the bolt securely. Then reattach the fan guard. And finally, refit the cover panels. The power can now be connected, and the machine can run safely. Our after-sales team in your region is ready to support you. Let's talk.
Expect performance.